Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Ford F-150. This has the Lariat package and the Ecoboost engine. And that is running smooth as could be. So I'm going to close this up and take you for a tour. There's a metallic flake in the paint. So it does have fog lights up front and tow hooks, alloy wheels. Your tow receiver, backup camera. Does have a power sliding back window. And then you see that it does have a keypad right here. My truck's very similar. I use mine all the time. And here's the VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos of that as well. 3 driver presets. Okay. And you want to check with your salesperson about this, but the odometer reading is 2,908. And then you also have your trip computer toggles, your cruise control, stereo controls, push to talk. I'm going to come down here and turn this down a little bit so you can hear me better. Okay, so it does have push button start and 2- and 4-wheel drive. All of your trailering settings are right here, which is super awesome. Come down here, you have 2 USB ports and a place to charge your phone. You have Ford Select Shift, your shifter, key fob, and you'll notice that you have remote start as well. And as you look down in here, you have additional stowage down there. And you do have a 110 volt outlet right here. And you'll see that you do have both cooled or heated front seats. Coming up here, you'll see your sources for audio or AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Then here are your climate controls as well. Bluetooth, then your apps and settings. And you can scroll through all these. You also have Wi-Fi and Ford Pass Connect, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Valet mode. There's your backup camera in HD, and you see that it also has backup sensors. And as you come up above, you have map reading lights and your glasses holder. All right, that about wraps it up for this F-150 Lariat. The seats are black leather. And you do have another 110 volt outlet back here, along with 2 12 volt outlets. And with that, this vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here up front and center that affected from the driver front quarter panel to the passenger front quarter panel. There's also a little bit of damage here in the back, in the center. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the State of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.